Welcome back to Auto Luxury Masters, where power meets prestige and innovation defines the future. Today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Scania TITAN 12x12 Double Deck Motorhome. This isn't just an RV, this is a rolling 5-star mansion built on one of the most powerful, heavy-duty platforms in the world. Built on a reinforced chassis inspired by Scania's heavy haulage engineering, the TITAN 12x12 is designed for absolute dominance. With a massive 12-wheel drive configuration, this motorhome offers unmatched stability, grip, and load distribution. Whether you're crossing desert dunes, icy highways, or mountain terrain, this machine moves with authority. Under the hood, the 2026 TITAN is rumored to feature a high-output 16.4-liter V8 turbo diesel engine, producing around 770 horsepower and a staggering amount of torque. Paired with an advanced automated transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, the TITAN ensures smooth acceleration despite its enormous size. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride surprisingly comfortable, even on uneven terrain. Now let's talk about size, because this thing is massive. The double-deck configuration transforms it into a true mobile penthouse. The lower level is designed for luxury living, while the upper deck delivers private relaxation space and panoramic views. Step inside, and you're greeted by handcrafted Italian leather seating, real wood paneling, and ambient LED lighting. The main lounge feels like a high-end yacht interior. A retractable 85-inch 8K smart display rises from the cabinet, while a premium surround sound system turns movie nights into cinematic experiences. The kitchen? It rivals upscale apartments. Full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, smart storage compartments, everything is premium. Quartz countertops and soft close cabinetry complete the refined aesthetic. Move toward the rear, and you'll find a master bedroom that feels like a luxury hotel suite. A king-size bed with adjustable positioning, integrated climate control, and blackout smart glass windows ensure perfect rest. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated marble flooring, and even a compact washer-dryer system. Now let's go upstairs. The upper deck serves as a VIP lounge or secondary sleeping area. Panoramic glass panels offer breathtaking 360-degree views. It can also be converted into a mobile office with satellite internet connectivity, perfect for entrepreneurs who live life on the move. Technology is where the TITAN truly shines. A centralized digital control panel manages lighting, temperature, security, slide-outs, and even leveling systems. Solar panels integrated into the roof provide sustainable auxiliary power, supported by a high-capacity battery bank and onboard generator. Safety hasn't been overlooked. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, 360-degree camera view, and predictive braking technology. Despite its size, maneuverability is enhanced with multi-axle steering. Price? While official numbers remain speculative, industry estimates suggest a figure north of $2.5 to $3 million, depending on customization. And customization is key. Buyers can tailor interiors, materials, tech packages, and even exterior paint themes. The 2026 Scania TITAN 12x12 double-deck motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a statement of power, freedom, and ultimate luxury living. If you love extreme machines and ultra-luxury innovations, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Auto Luxury Masters. Because here, we don't just review vehicles, we experience the future.